Good morning. Good morning. Just cleaning my glasses here. All right. Market opens in 9 minutes. Let's see what we got. Tomorrow we got GDP numbers. That's what we've been waiting for all week. Man, this coffee, I microwaved it, got too hot. How am I doing? I'm doing fine. Thank you for asking. Okay, that's too hot. Gonna have to continue to let that cool down. All right, the dollar has gotten stronger overnight. Rates have remained unchanged, and the market has remained unchanged. The VIX is a little bit better. Okay, so I'd say today's going to be on the greenish side of things, but it's not an important day of any kind. It's gone midday, so I'm having a nice cold beer today. Oh, very, very nice. Very, very nice. Well, so we'll see if we can find some interesting opportunities here this morning. We do have 2.5 stocks up over 100% pre-market. Let's go take a look at those potential day trades, because when that happens, that's something. OSRH, lack of follow-through, high tight flagging, a little bit sketchy price action. OSRH, PTPI. Pretty nice follow through, but it broke down. Just checking to see if it's kind of reignited now, I think. On higher volume, but PTPI could move. And then the third one is Surge. No, that's no good. PTPI. That's your number one prime candidate to day trade if you were going to day trade something this morning. PTPI. But yeah, I'm probably going to stay away. I'm nicely allocated into swing trades, but PTPI, that's what you might want to watch. This morning, let's see if this coffee's ready. Oops, I forgot to turn on the light so you can see how foggy that makes my glasses. And this light is too bright. There we go. Somewhere around there should be good. Maybe that's even too bright. Okay, there we go. Fine. Okay, it's just on the edge of sippability now. All right, so the market, just with the dollar strong, that's interesting. With the dollar strengthening overnight. But we've got GDP numbers tomorrow, and that's really what everybody's waiting for. With that final GDP revision number. Yeah, the volume was really light yesterday. Interesting. Remember, I was talking about that. How this is mostly just retail movement. Once those GDP numbers come in tomorrow, I think institutionals are probably waiting for a pullback to put money in. So we'll see what shows up here. I'm on Twitch and Twitter as well. Wherever you are, hello. Welcome in. The market's going to be opening in 4 minutes. And let's see if there's anything else big up much in pre-market. $1.5 billion company up 15%. WVE. $11 billion company up 11%. GME. You ever heard of that one? GME look like here? Let's see. Oh, it's earnings. Okay. Didn't move much. Two minutes till the market opens here. Dollar strengthening. Rates coming down. These are both positives for the U.S. economy. And yet the market is pulling back red before the open. What is that? Something showing up here on the thing. Let's see. Morning, Marcus. It really won't let me click that thing, whatever that says there. All right, market's opening in 25 seconds. Dollar is strong. Rates, bond market strong. Market itself a little bit red. Tomorrow's GDP. So more of the same today. More of the same. Not necessarily green, but more in this same region, in this zone here. Like weak retail trading. And we're off. All right. Sideways at the open here. Hmm. Okay, we're coming up off the bottom a little bit. Everything I'm holding is doing okay. RCL, Royal Caribbean, doing good, doing good. Following through. Nothing doing terrible so far. I think this day is just going to be light volume sideways. Tomorrow GDP, you know. We do have maybe a little bit of weakness. We got about 40% breadth in growth. Sideways day is the prediction. Oh, back to PTPI. What's up with there? PTPI. There goes. Let's take a look. Yeah. Yeah, it turned out to be a good trade. Anybody on it? That was the one I told you. PTPI. And if I look at Surge, I would imagine it's still chopping. Yeah, maybe. And then the other one was OSRH, and that didn't look good. Not doing anything but PTPI. Yeah, pretty nice. You could have got in at, say, 1450, and you'd be at 17 already. 17% gain. Oshia, LYT. There's a bunch of very small cap movers. GME is the largest. IonQ. Okay, let's take a look. Nice move on IonQ. I think I like what I see. I might get some of this for a swing. Looks exactly like RCL. Well, it's definitely different though. Isn't this a quantum computing company? It's supposed to not really happen for a long time. Yeah, quantum manufactures quantum computers. Like that exists. It doesn't quite exist yet. I mean, it's stretching the truth for sure. All right, market pulling back now a little bit. So yeah, you could roughly stay away from the market today. Tossed, SE grab. Let's look at some of the green things, but I don't think there's anything incredible for entry right now. Maybe towards the end of the day. Tossed continues. SE. SE looks kind of good. Yeah, SE looks nice. You have to do like a $10 stop, so you can only get like 2 to 1 out of it. Yeah, perhaps not. Well, it'd be great for a PCS though, for a put credit spread. Beautiful. Excellent. Excellent for PCS. SE. Well, I don't know. You'd have to check the options pricing and stuff, but I mean the setup on the chart looks good. Grab. No. Guidewire. SMCI. WBD. Well, I'm already in Palantir. There's looking good, by the way. Twilio. Twilio. Could be good on Twilio, but it'd have to be like a 3 to 6 month trade. UAL. No. Zillow. think I might have mistyped that last one. UAL. Zillow. CG. Yeah, that's interesting. Reddit continues to be kind of interesting, but not quite as much as what I showed you before, which was Rocket Lab. Yeah, so Palantir, APO, VIC, Guidewire, MSTR app, and INC VST. I got out of VST yesterday at break even when it pulled back to break even, and it's still hanging around what was my break even. It's definitely something to watch and potentially get back into. All right, you guys. Well, it's not an exciting day today necessarily. Tomorrow's going to be unleashing the Kraken. Tomorrow morning is going to be good. We got GDP final revision numbers coming in, and that's going to give us a clue on where things are going to be for the next few weeks. And that's going to be enough for institutionals to lay some rotation and allocation out. And so we're going to have to follow the money. Going to have to go where things are moving. Okay, guys, have a great morning. Nice to see you. Talk to you tomorrow morning. I'll be in the group all day today. All right. Here's some stuff.